Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your address on Uber Eats driver. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to change their address so that they can get a different setup as far as their Uber Eats driver account goes. How do you actually change your address? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, let's click on the hamburger icon on the upper left-hand corner. Then click on account, and then click on edit address. Now once you do this, you're going to input your address, city, state, and zip code. So I'm just going to do this right now and blur out all this information. Now once you have your information input, just go ahead and click on save, and there you have it. You've now edited your address on your Uber Eats driver account. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and edit your address on Uber Eats driver. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next